What it do, guys? Your boy Malik, and I'm back. And I know it's been a couple days, but I just been ill, like I said in the last video. But I'm back, like I said, and I'm feeling way better. So today, me and Lil Bro, we heading over to the car show with the fam, Cuzzos and them, Lil Cuz, Big Cuz, and yeah, we about to turn up tonight at the car show. So yeah.
So you got passes or something, you say?
Let me see.
Oh. Okay.
This is so small.
Well, we'll get in contact with them when we get down
You
there
heard me?
and we'll see.
This was small.
We'll figure it out. I'll keep in touch with you and let you know what's up. Alright. Deuces.
And it got like 17:30.
I know. You got it from the
That's right.
Yeah, I'm thinking about getting it.
It's X here. Right, go to the car shop, bro. Get it.
And your boy Malik, as you know.
Squad. Already know Dom.
Okay, stop it there. You won't let them do it.
Drive me.
What's this, Siobhan? Well, Tahoe. 2016 Tahoe, man. 2016 Tahoe. A little bit light. Oh. Suburban.
It's like the dude from the land. He was like, damn, like that. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my
A god. We need a
Good
food bag.
afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Chevrolet. My name is Danae. It's great to be here with you this afternoon.
All right, we don't got time for us. Let's go.
To our display, you're going to notice a lot of redesigns, some new re-engineering going on of the year with our beautiful Midsize Colorado. So if you have not seen those displays and you want to know why they're award-winning, go figure it out. We're over here to answer those questions too. Head on over there. You can take a picture with one of our awesome brand ambassadors and capture your Chevy moment. Hashtag find new roads. 2015. We also created and redesigned. We definitely redesigned and re-engineered our favorite and one of our most award-winning cars throughout the year, the 2016 Malibu. And I'm excited to announce this year we're introducing the Malibu Hybrid. We finally brought the Hybrid to the Malibu linkage. Really excited about that, just to continue the amazing miles per gallon that you can get out of this vehicle. Now, we made it longer, we made it a little bit wider. We took about 300 pounds out of this 2016 Malibu, giving you about this. Now, we are going to get the 5-liter, the full standard for Malibu. That's a turbo, but you will also get it as well.
Yeah.
It's actually on display for you to go inside and play with.
Huh?
White one to my right. And that's the Malibu.
Go ahead.
What's that?
I don't know.
As far as safety technology,
Jump up.
I try to create some new
It's not going to break.
to driving experience and keep you safe. Now in the front of the Malibu, if you're driving down the road and you're probably what's going on, if somebody slows down without you realizing, the Malibu is letting you know that hey,
It's alright.
That's not bad. Price 27. That's not bad. Fully equipped 39.
12 o'clock. You got that? Ah, it's so fat.
He got like a big one. It's bigger.
This big already. See the inside. She real though.
Xavier. We're not gonna.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got TVs in there, cup holders. Yeah, I like that. Third row.
I thought that was Larry for a second.
Oh, you really thought? What is this, Toyota? Yeah.
Toyota.
It's cool, it's cool.
I'm not wearing that shit.
You see the new video, the other one, Ball Out? Yeah, man, it's Ball Out.
He get a little better.
Toyota. Let's go play. I can fit in it.
No sweat.
Oh yeah, you can. Oh yeah, oh my God. I like this, I like it. Sign. Zion. Get biggie. Look, can't even fit.
Yo, this is smart.
Oh yeah, I get it.
No, because you're too big. So let's go.
Don't know I didn't.
Yes, you did. This is unlocked. It's not supposed to. I gotta find the hook. Fuck it. I don't know. But yeah, that's big. I expect you to fit in there. It's big ass. Yo. Yo. Oh my God, you're big ass.
Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. For more important things. Always remember that.